Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a very interesting recipe with you. It's going to be a falsa popsicle. It's amazing. You can just make it so easily with at the comfort of your home, and it's such a healthy. It's not a healthy recipe because I'm going to be using sugar in it, and but it comes out very good. And besides buying things with which has preservatives, you can easily make this at home, and it's so simple to make with such minimum ingredients. So I'm so excited to be sharing this amazing simple recipe with you guys. I hope you all enjoy it, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who would love this recipe. So let me show you the ingredients. It's very simple, just basic things that you have at home. We're going to try making it today, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys.
So guys, I have taken 2 cups of falsas, and in that I will be adding half cup of water, and I'm going to give it a good blend. I'm going to blend it together. I'm blending the falsas so that, and then we will strain the falsas in a strainer. After we strain it, you can see that the fiber and the seeds are separated. You're going to keep that aside. You can see we have extracted the amazing falsa juice, all the seeds and the fiber. We have extracted the juice, and we are going to be adding using this for our popsicles. Now for the popsicles, we are going to be, for this, we have, in the falsa juice, I've added 4 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm going to mix it together. I mixed it and combine it well. I'm going to transfer it to the popsicle tray. One by one, I'm going to add the entire juice till the top of the tray. This is ready to be put in the fridge. You have to freeze it for overnight for it to be done completely. After overnight, you can see they're nicely done. You have to keep them in the water for them. After you defrost the popsicles, they are absolutely ready to enjoy. This is what the popsicles look like. You can enjoy this amazing treat and share it with your friends and family.